Aperia time!
So we are now at a Thai supermarket at the new location, Aperia Mall. So today is their grand opening and lots of action over here today. So let's go and check it out. And of course, one of the most popular sections will be the tea beat section. Yeah, and if you didn't know, this is one of the new snacks in Thailand, quite popular. Okay, let's go and see inside. Well, let me tell you guys, if you guys love soya bean, right, you got to get this drink. This drink is super good, soya bean. And then over here, what is special is that you can find all kinds of, vegetables, especially imported from Thailand. So you even have things like this tom yum paste, whereby you can just buy this and cook tom yum soup for yourself. No tom yum smell. There's even Thai lemon. This is very good if you want to cook Thai dishes. Chili padi. Kaffir lime leaf. All these are essentials for Thai ingredients. Oh, take a look. There's even a mookata pot. Wow. Not bad, this is like the charcoal mookata pot. How much is it? Let's check it out. $42. I sell one mookata set. Earn that cost already. Oh, this is also very classic. You have the glass bottle Coca-Cola. There's even Thai wordings on it. Yeah, very special. If you love Thai milk tea, yeah, this is the brand to get. This is a green tea version. It's also nice. If you haven't tried it before, go and get it and try. So if you like to cook but you are lazy to mix all the sauces, right? You can get all these ready-made sauces, paste. Very popular brand from Thailand as well. So we have just like seen the supermarket section, right? In fact, Thai supermarket, they have shops selling other food. Similarly, over here you can find some shops as well. So let's go and take a look at what they are selling. So this shop is selling if you go to Chinatown, Yaowarat, you will notice that they are popular for, the toast bread. Okay, over here is something similar. And then this shop is selling what? Let's take a look. Mango sticky rice. And the forever long queue shop, okay, selling banana fritters and sweet potato balls. Oh my god, look at the queue. So yeah, that is always the most popular shop. And then over here we see that they have manicure, pedicure, and not really but similar. And then there's even a salon. Wow. Okay, so that's a quick overview of the Thai supermarket, the brand new location at Aperia Mall. So if you want to get Thai products, you can come down to Aperia Mall to get all things Thai. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.